Alright, so here we have the RealSimGear G3X, and I don't think this framing is gonna work. Yeah, it's pretty big. So this is the RealSimGear G3X Touch, just released, and I went ahead and picked one up. The packaging is very nice. It's the standard RealSimGear kind of harder cardboard with nice printing, so I really like that. Packaging means a lot. Initially, when you open it up, you're going to be greeted with a little note card and foam. So this card here just looks like to be a quick start guide, so they have a link to where you can find the rest of their setup guide, as well as just a basic overview of what all you need. So next is just some foam, and we'll take that off. Wow, this looks very nice. This is a textured plastic, kind of like a leather plastic, which is really nice. It's got a nice wrap on it. We'll take that off when we get it in the airplane. And then, unlike the audio panel, these knobs here are actually rubber, and they feel a lot better. Very, very tactile. Very nice push, and then of course each of the buttons also feels great. Little middle piece here, that's just into basically the model, so they don't actually do anything. Same for this SD card slot, nothing actually goes there, it's just kind of for show. Looking here, we have the mounting hardware, so it's just some screws and nuts, and those will interface in each of the corners, which is great, it's exactly what I need. Here is the USB cable, and this appears to just be the standard RealSimGear USB cable. It appears to be very long, which is great. Don't have to worry about running a short cable and having to get extensions and all that sort of thing. So very nice that they ship it like this. Not braided, of course, it's just a kind of harder rubber, but it feels very solid. Here, of course, is the power adapter. Pretty standard, looks like a 9-volt plug. And we can look at this, and let's see. Yeah, 100 to 240.8 amp max, so pretty standard. This thing doesn't appear to draw that much power, so that's good. It's basically just a small monitor. So now, going and taking it out. Ooh, it's got some nice weight to it, actually. So, yeah, it weighs a little bit. It's not very thick, which is nice. But again, similar to what we saw on that audio panel, the molding isn't quite perfect. So there's some gaps that appear, which might be able to be remedied, but it doesn't matter that much because it's going to be mounted to a panel. So power, let's see, this is going to be for the actual screen, and then interfacing with the buttons and switches and all that. So that's for that USB cable right here. So very nice, bunch of screws that's basically holding the electronics in. We're not going to do that. I don't want to avoid warranty. And then on the front, it's got the screen protector. We'll do the peel once it's in the sim, but overall quality is very nice. So we'll go ahead and get it in the sim and see kind of what this thing's capable of.